So starting the test drive in this Armada NISMO here, I am so impressed with just how this vehicle is put together. I like the Armadas when they first came out, but this is just something that I feel like could bring, not saying the other vehicles shouldn't be able to bring 80 grand, but when I get in this, I just feel like I would pay $83,000 for this. You have a 3.5 twin turbo V6 putting out 460 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque, which is insane. But just the interior, they did such a great job with this interior. It really feels like a NISMO vehicle should feel. I mean, I do feel like I'm in a, you know, a GTR SUV, and if I'm paying this much money for something like this, you know, that really helps me make this decision make more sense. It's the exhaust note is fantastic. I love just how the vehicle gets up in general in the standard mode, but it's just a looker, from the body lines to the bumpers, the wheels, the overall stance, especially with this air suspension. When you kind of drop it down to that entry exit position, it just looks phenomenal. But also relatively, I don't want to say it's fuel efficient, but in terms of how much you would get on, let's say a Tahoe or an Expedition, even a standard Armada, I mean, 16 city, 19 highway is great. Now, I don't know the specs on these in terms of the 0 to 60 and all of that, how fast or how quick they actually are, but I do feel like this price point, you get a lot of power for the money. And I also like that it still feels like an Armada. The controls are still where they need to be. The screen's there, the push button is there. Everything still makes sense. It just has a sport-tuned interior, if that makes sense. It's just like the whole interior was refreshed. It's almost like what a lot of people do to their vehicles aftermarket, when they kind of just throw stuff all over the place. They want the colors to match. They want the trim to do this, but this is just a whole other level. It looks phenomenal. Now I'm gonna put it in the sport mode. I don't know how much I'll be able to give it based on the traffic here, but I'm gonna try to give it something. Have a little bit of space here. Here we go. When you feel those turbos start to spool in, oh man, it's freaking great. I'm gonna try and give it another one here in a minute. Here we go. I mean, that's impressive. It really is. Now I want to give one more thanks to Nissan of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this vehicle today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now, this actually rides down the road pretty nicely with this air suspension, but where this thing really shines is the performance. You get an SUV that it's no GTR, don't get me wrong, but it has GTR tendencies. Just the suspension, just what NISMO brings to the table, that's what you get here in a full-size SUV form. That's really the best way to describe it. And my goodness, it's really quick, and the sound, the NISMO exhaust systems are just bar none when it comes to that tuner, like Need for Speed underground sound. That's what you get here, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. But I think for the price point, honestly, you get a lot here. It's a really nice vehicle. It kind of reminds me of the Z71s or even the Tremor package and the Expedition, but this is my favorite when it comes to those, because this is what I like. I like something that's quick. It's not just about the trim. It's not just about having bigger wheels or whatever, or off-road suspensions. It's about having a whole new experience. And that's what you get here with this 2026 Nissan Armada NISMO.